In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Cash App card to Google Wallet, allowing you to make seamless contactless payments with Google Pay wherever it's accepted. To start, open your Google Wallet app, which serves as a digital hub for managing all your payment methods. Once the app is open, look for the option to add a card. This option is usually clearly labeled, often as +sign. Click on it to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to add a payment card. Select this option to continue linking your Cash App card, sometimes called the Cash Card. There are two ways to add your card to Google Wallet. You can either scan the card using your phone's camera, which will automatically fill in the card details, or you can manually enter the card information yourself. Make sure your Cash Card is ready for this step. It's important to note that your Cash Card, which functions as a debit card issued by Cash App, must be activated in the Cash App before it can be linked to Google Wallet. If it hasn't been activated yet, open the Cash App and take care of that first. Once your card details are entered, Google Wallet may require verification. This is a security measure to confirm that it's really you adding the card. Typically, a one-time code will be sent to the phone number linked to your Cash App account. Keep an eye on your messages or emails so you can enter the code promptly when asked. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the verification process. These prompts are designed to guide you step by step, so just follow them carefully. After successfully verifying your card, it will be linked to Google Wallet. With this linkage established, you can now use your Cash Card through Google Wallet, making purchases with a simple tap. And that's it. Thank you for watching.